Hello guys, in this video, I will show you a comparison between Document 360 and Notion to help you choose the right tool for your documentation-based needs. So let's break them down into 6 comparison keys. Number 1, Purpose and Use Case. Document 360 is designed specifically for technical documentation, product manuals, and knowledge bases for SaaS or enterprise teams. On the other hand, Notion is a general-purpose workspace tool used for notes, collaboration, project management, and light documentation. Number 2, interface and ease of use. Notion offers a flexible drag and drop interface, perfect for creative workflows, while Document 360 focuses on structured article formatting, version control, and search optimization, which is ideal for support teams. Number 3, features. Document 360 includes advanced analytics, Markdown support, reader feedback, and private and public portals, while Notion offers AI writing tools, databases, team collaboration, and integrations with project tools like Slack or Trello. Number 4, customization and branding. Document 360 allows full branding control for public knowledge bases, while Notion's customization is limited unless you are using third-party tools. Number 5, pricing. Notion is more affordable for individuals and small teams, while Document 360 is priced higher, but it includes enterprise-level features. Number 6, best for. Choose Document 360 if you need professional, structured documentation with granular control. And you can choose Notion if you need a versatile tool for both personal and team productivity. So for final verdict, for structured documentation and external knowledge bases, Document 360 is for you. But for internal collaboration, Notion's flexibility and AI tools make it a great choice. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.